Thank you very much. It's a particular honor to mark the International Day of Vesak alongside this reflection of the Geneva Convention's two streams of human moral striving that, as of today, discussions make clear, draw from a common source that the conviction that wisdom and compassion must be brought to bear on the world's deepest challenges. My deepest gratitude goes to my friend, His Excellency Mr. Ram Prasad Sudevi, Permanent Representative of Nepal to the United Nations in Geneva, for your leadership on this event and beyond. Let me confess, like San Agustin in Confessions, you are an excellent friend with deep convictions and also a human. United Nations and the Buddhist thought share several overlapping values, especially around peace, compassion, human dignity, and global cooperation. Buddhist values have influenced discussions and initiatives within the United Nations in areas such as peace building, sustainable development, human rights, and environmental ethics. The UN often promotes cooperation among religions to encourage peace and tolerance. Buddhist traditions have participated in these dialogues. As an important example is the United Nations Day of Vesak, officially recognized by the UN in 1999 to honor the birth, enlightenment, and passing of Gautama Buddha. This recognition reflects the Buddhist global, cultural, and ethical contribution. Also, the Buddhist concept of karuna, compassion, that has been referred several times in this event, support the humanitarian work and human rights efforts promoted by the United Nations and also the ICRC, or the International Federation of Red Cross, in regards to the Geneva Convention. In this context, UPIS is delighted to announce the co-production of the Pluralistic Global Governance, a policy paper series with Dharma Alliance, a Geneva-based organization working at the intersection of Dharmic philosophical traditions, a multilateral governance, and a long-standing partner of this institution. This constitutes a systematic body of scholarship articulating what Buddhist and related Dharmic traditions contribute to the foundational questions of our time in these moments of geopolitical tensions: economic and trade, education, environment, health, peace building, human rights, and peace and security. And to conclude my statement, let me say that the central Buddhist principle is ahimsa, non-violence. This aligns strongly with the UPIS mission to prevent war and to maintain international